In this simple tutorial, you'll learn how to create a simple uploading progress bar in Filmora 9. What you have to do is click on the title tab, drag any title. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the default title, drag it to the timeline, then I'm going to reduce this to 3 seconds. 3 seconds. There. Then I'm going to double click on this title and they'll display such a window to me. Then click on advanced. When you reach advanced, delete this default title, then add a shape. So where you're seeing this cursor or the arrow pointing, and we are going to draw this shape here, and we are going to first take out the text. Just take out the text here, then come to the border size. Let us set this to 7 and expand this. As you can see, to have these border radiuses, and when you don't want them, click on these yellow squares, drag, and you have this box shaped progress bar. Very simple. So the next thing that we're going to do is resizing this to a favorable size. Then we are going to add some text. Let us get rid of one. So this text, we are going to put this capital I 10 times. So when you're done, then let us get this Broadway font. So this is the font that is suitable for this effect. Let us reduce on its size. Then let us reduce on this. Let us select the rectangle and we make it fit the progress bars. Then on the progress bars, let us remove their, I guess the borders are removed by default. Then let us get the animation type, and it's going to be a text or typewriter. You're seeing there. So we are going to drag it to the end. Let us see the effect. Very simple. So let us add some simple indicator or text indicator here. To do that, we are going to add text, and the text we're going to reduce on its size like to 20. It's going to be having uploading with 3 dots. So like that, and I'm going to use Arial as the font, and I'm going to put the fade to effect or animation. So fade, let's look for fade. I'm going to use this, and I'm going to drag this to the first 1 second. Then I'm going to add another text. Let's go to customize. Again, we are going to write uploading with 3 dots. Put it in the same area with this. We are going to bring it here, go to animation and add the same animation. So when we play this is what you're going to be having. Very simple. Click OK. And in case you want to use it for later use, you can click this save as custom. I'm going to call this one uploading effect. Click OK. And in case you have, let's say, now media, let's get this. We can remove this in the timeline. We drag our video here. We can go and get that custom uploading effect that we made, and it will look like this. So there, we shall have that. Very simple. So guys, as you can see, even we can create a simple effect using this. So it may seem like the progress bar is loading according to the weather or the time that the video is changing at. Very simple. So guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll always see you in the next tutorial. Peace.